Hey, how you going? Just doing a quick tutorial on how to change the wipers on the Lexus LS400. I have a UCF20, but hopefully it's the same for most of the LS400 models. It was a bit difficult, but I figured it out, and I figured I'd make a quick video to show everyone else how to do it. Alright, we're going to start with the small wiper, and it's a little bit tricky. What you're going to want to do is put the ignition to on, and then flick the wipers on and turn off the ignition when the wipers reach the very top of its rotation. From there, with the bonnet closed, you'll be able to lift up the wiper, and then you'll be able to easily change it. I used a H2 clip for this one, or it says H2 on it. I'm not sure what clip it is, but I picked them up from Super Cheap, and it comes with everything included. It's probably the easiest part, just take off the wiper and put the new one on, not too bad. Next, you're going to want to put the wipers back down, and they have kind of two down settings. One is when they're kind of down, and one is where they tuck right in behind the bonnet. You're going to want to get them right down behind the bonnet to do the long wiper. You're going to want to pop the bonnet for this long one. Easy again, pull out the old one. The old wiper that was in mine had this really weird clip. You don't need it, throw it away. It's so awful and crap and old plastic. You might as well just replace it with a new one. My car had two different clips on each of the wipers, but you can use H2 clips on both, and they both clip in as they should. So I'm not sure why the long one had a different clip on my car. I don't know. Anyway, slip the H2 clip on with the new wiper. Put the wiper back down, and then you're pretty much done. Anyway, I hope this helped at least one person, and that's about it. I'll continue to release videos on other tricky things that I find with this car. And yeah, that's about it. Anyway, goodbye.